Hi all, welcome to Meccano Creations. Today I'll be showing you this model I recently built of the Empire State Building, which now finds a place in the small Meccano city. So this actually comes as a set, but I did not purchase this set because I already had most of the parts required to build this model. So this model is about the same height as my treehouse and the base is around 5 square inches. As you can see, this is currently well settled in my small Meccano city, which is growing larger with each project. So you can follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram, where I post frequent updates on my current projects. And in case you like this channel, consider subscribing, it means a lot. With that being said, I'm going to slip into time-lapse mode where you can watch me build this model along with the final paint job. I will meet you back after the build is over. Hi all, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this airbrush. I figured that this will help me quickly paint my models and provide a lot better finish than using a paintbrush, and also it will use less paint. So I'm really happy with the finish this airbrush provides and eagerly waiting to try it out on my next project. Do keep supporting this channel till we meet next time. Stay safe and bye bye.